The Sillbird Dinosaur Robot Kit is an incredible educational toy that combines fun with learning, making it an excellent gift for children aged 8 to 12. This kit encourages children to explore science, technology, engineering, and mathematics concepts through interactive play, enhancing their problem-solving and coding skills. Children will be captivated by the robot's expressive digital eyes and engaging sounds, which can be easily controlled via Bluetooth app or remote control. With a 5-in-1 buildable design, this kit allows children to construct various models, such as a T-Rex or a motorcycle, offering a range of challenges and creative opportunities. The kit includes 646 pieces and comes with simple, colorful instructions that guide children through the building process, boosting their confidence and sense of achievement. A rechargeable battery provides 40 minutes of continuous play, ensuring extended fun without the hassle of frequent battery changes, which is perfect for family gatherings and playdates.